How to crop video in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can crop videos in Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to crop a video to your Instagram story, it is actually very simple to do so. Let's say that you want to go ahead and upload a full story. All you have to do is you want to understand that recently Instagram has an update that will let you upload the video for at least 1 minute long. So if the video is up to 60 seconds, you can upload them without cropping. If it is longer than that, it is going to get cropped automatically to the first 60 seconds part. The next is not going to get uploaded. So let's say that assuming that you have a 2 minutes long video, what do? Well, if you have a 2 minute long video, you have to split them into 60 seconds each, which means into 2 or 3 parts depending upon how long the video is, by using a third party tool. Though you will not be able to do it right from Instagram itself. What you want to do is, of course, you can just head over to your Play Store or your App Store, and then you want to simply search for any of the applications. I'm personally using this video splitter application. You can use any other ones if you'd like. Open it up here. Just tap the plus option, select your media that is up to, let's say, 3 minutes or 2 minutes long, and what you want to do is go to this custom section so that you can split the video every 60 seconds or how much ever seconds depending upon how long the video is. So I recommend actually splitting every 59 seconds, not 60, so that it is not going to get cropped automatically even if there is a 1 millisecond gap. If you split every 59 seconds, if it's a 2 minute long video, you can split them into 2 parts. After you've done that, then basically you can simply upload them to your Instagram story part by part. So you can upload the first part of the story by tapping this option. After you've uploaded this, you can basically upload the second part of the story as well. So this way you'll be able to go ahead and then trim story in Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.